Good morning everyone. Today our team going to present problem-based task 2 for operating system. Our lecturer name is Puan Nur Razlina binti Othman. So I would like to introduce my team member. Suhasan Analaki Balachandran, Edward Raj Analaki Easter, Avinaya Anapapan Tamudran, Divya Sri Anapapan Ranganathan. So our first question is compare the first version and the latest version between Microsoft Windows, Apple iOS and Android mobile operating system.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about compare the first version and latest version between iOS. Okay, the first version about iPhone iOS is 1.0. Let's see in iPod. iPod usually for listening music and see video. What are inside the iPod? Create playlists organized by album, artists and genres, listen to the song and audiobooks, and watch video broadcasts. Phone. First iPhone usually there's a basic needs. For example, call people, add people to favorite, and add group chat. More apps like texting, photos, mail, Safari, Maps, Stock, and better. Switch between HD and Wi-Fi. Apple integrate YouTube video player. That's the first version. Let's see the latest version. Latest version is iPhone OS 15. They upgraded 1.0 to 15. Apple privacy report setting lets you see often apps have accessed your location, photos, microphone, contact, and more during the latest 7 days. The last 7 days and their network activity. The previous version there's no safety purpose for the phone. At the latest version there's a safety purpose and privacy report. Okay, for example, for the privacy report, we are browse something in Google Chrome or Google. There's some website are not legal, so for that some hackers or scammers they will detect our microphone, photos, camera, and like that they upgraded to protect our privacy from the scammers. That are the latest version for OS 15. Message. Communication safety setting gives parents the ability to enable warning for children when they are receiving or send photos that contain nudity. For the messages, also they have privacy. Why they have privacy? Like this type of question. But nowadays, children or people they will send nudity photos for others. So this type of photos they will the safety setting can take action when they send photo to children or people. Siri and search. The Siri and search explain like a guidance. For example, Siri is a voice guidance for you. If you command Siri to open Safari or Spotlight, it will immediately take action and useful for you. Apple ID. Apple ID is like a email. It's like an email, not exact email. Digital Apple ID Digital Legacy allows you to design people and legacy content so they can access your iCloud account and personal information in the event of your death. Camera. Macro photo control for switching to ultra wide lens. The capture macro photo and video can be enabled in setting iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. In previous version camera, there's a normal basic camera. We can zoom in and zoom out. That's all. If we zoom in, there will be a blur of the photo. In latest version, we can zoom until micro. There's a small thing also we can see clearly. In Apple ID, if we download anything like a document or movie, it will be stored in Apple iCloud. TV apps store tab lets you browse by and rent movie and TV show all in one places. TV apps in latest version there's a store tab. Let's browse by and rent movie and TV show. We can pay for the movie in latest version. In previous version there's nothing. These are the first version and the latest version.
Now, let's compare between Android first version and latest version. The first version named Android 1.0. The features of this Android system is Android Market, which is allowing application download and updates through the Market application. The second thing is camera support. However, this version lacked the option to change the camera resolution, white balance, quality, and etc. The third one is folder, allowing the grouping of a number of application icons into a single folder icon on the home screen. The fourth one is Gmail synchronization with the Gmail application. Google Contacts synchronization with the People application. Besides that, Google Maps with Street View to view maps and satellite imagery, as well to find local business and obtain driving direction using GPS. Moreover, Google Search, allowing user to search the internet and the phone application, contact, calendar, and etc. Media Player. This media player enabling management, importing and playback of media files. However, this version also lacks video and stereo Bluetooth support. Last, YouTube video player and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. Now, let's talk about Android's latest version, which is Android 12. The feature of Android 12 is easier Wi-Fi sharing, AV-IF image support, and Material U is an update design language based on Material Design. Other features is scrolling screenshots, one-handed mode, bold text grayscale, mic and camera indicator toggle. Besides that, Android Runtime is module added to the updatable Core OS components via Google Play. Added functionality to external modules. Area magnification can zoom in any contact on device. Gesture can work in immersive mode. Last but not least, performance improvement to system service to improve transaction, power efficient, and reduce app startup times.
My name is Divya Sriranganathan. My metric number is 21DDT 21F1023. Microsoft Windows Phone OS. Windows Phone 7.5. At the 2011 Mobile World Congress, Steve Ballmer announced a major update to Windows Phone 7 due toward the end of the year. Windows Phone 7.5, codenamed Mango, the new OS, will address many of the platform's shortcomings, including a mobile version of Internet Explorer 9 that supports the same web standards and graphical capability as the desktop version, multitasking of third-party apps, Twitter integration for the People Hub, and Windows Live SkyDrive. Access, although the OS internally identifies itself as version 7.1, it is marked as version 7.5 in all push material intended for end user. After that, Windows Phone 10. In-app notifications. Windows 10 on phones will allow user to reply to message right from the notification or dismiss an alarm. But you don't get iOS choice between banner and alerts, the latter of which stay on screen until you act on them. So if a message comes on Skype while you are away from your phone, you won't see the notification unless you swipe down the action center. Alarm do stay on screen, however, until you snooze or dismiss them. More quick action, those swipe down, choose like lock rotation or aeroplane mode. Windows Phone 8.1 only allow 4 of these quick action, but Windows 10 lets you have 3 rows of 4 thanks to the new expanded arrow. The feature still lacks some options found in iOS equivalent control center such as flashlight, calculator and music playing controls. Thank you.
The second question is, find two common problems that always happen from one of these operating systems. It is Microsoft Windows Phone, Apple iOS and Android. Microsoft Windows Phone. The two common problem is auto brightness bug. You can disable auto brightness and set your phone to medium brightness to avoid the flashing brightness issue. Second, screen freezing. Press the power and volume down button and hold them for 10 seconds. Your phone will be restart and should work as normal. The second OS is Apple iOS. The two common problem is typing lag. If you are on an older OS, someone user temporarily solved the issue by navigating to setting, general, reset the keyboard dictionary. But updating to the last version is a easiest solution. Second problem is can't add or edit iOS 14 versions. Here a quick fix we are finding. If you open up the app and play around with it first, then close it, you may find that it appears within the widgets led after hitting the plus icon. Lastly, Android. The two common problem is app not downloading. Apps not downloading for the Play Store can surely play a spoiled spot in the hours of need. All you have to do is hit over to the app setting and clear the cache data. The second common problem is Wi-Fi shutting down. The above issue occurs due to the Wi-Fi sleep policy of Android. Hit over to the advanced Wi-Fi setting and set the keep Wi-Fi on during sleep to never. This way to switch over never happen. Thank you.